Think and talk. For most of her career, Ethel worked as a White House reporter and asked questions of the president. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer the following question. If you could ask the president a question, what would you ask? Again, if you were at home, you can turn and talk with someone who is there with you, or you can write your answer in your reading notebook. We're going to start wrapping up our conversations in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set a purpose. Ethel loved writing and reporting. Listen to find out how she built her career and helped her community. On this slide, we are going to click the link to access the book and listen to this read aloud.